Good evening, everybody. For those of you who do not know me, I am Dr. Mark Lennon. I'm your professor for Management 403, Innovation Management. Good news, people. I am finally back on D2L. Yay. I'm posted up the syllabus there. I will also send you a copy of it. I am also posting up this video as well as all the discussion assignments, the Lean Canvas, the quizzes, etc., etc. What am I talking about Lean Canvas? Get your textbook, and then you'll know about Lean Canvas. In a nutshell, it's a great way to come to test out a business plan. It's much better than the traditional way of writing out a really lengthy business plan that really means nothing. I am a member of an angel investor group these days, and these guys, they could care less about these business plans. They want to get cut right to it. I first was exposed to this Lean Canvas methodology with a group of my students this past fall when we went on this 3-day startup weekend. We had a great time with it. It worked wonderfully. Literally in 72 hours, students just like you had viable business ideas going. So I really think it's cool. It's a lot of fun. You're gonna enjoy it. All right, let me keep this one short just to let you know I'm alive, that this course has begun. You do have assignments. Specifically, I want you to take a little syllabus quiz. I want you to go ahead and introduce yourself on the discussion thread. And also, there's an assignment for a discussion that says, what is innovation? What does innovation mean to you? Now, what I like to do in all my new courses, such as like my strategy class, I ask the very first week, what do we mean by strategy? In this case, what do we mean by innovation? Give me your definition. It's no right or wrong here. Rather, what we're trying to do over the course of the semester, through our readings, through our studies, etc., is enrich that definition. I like to argue that any new material you're learning is just like learning a new foreign language. And those of you who know me know that I speak several of them. So, in any event, welcome, guys, and delighted to have you on board. And my apologies for the craziness with D2L this week. Thanks. Bye.